Welcome to KodWIZ. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use KodWIZ to easily and quickly create an ABAP report with technical documentation. Let's get started. Specify the program name. Identify the databases used in the report. Select database fields used in your report. Set up attribute of report fields like select parameter, drill down, fields hidden in report list. Generate the program. Copy the program name. Go to SE38 SE80 and paste the program name from clipboard. Go back to KodWIZ screen with generated code and copy the code to clipboard. Go to transaction SE38 SE80 and paste the code to the ABAP editor. Activate the report. Test the report. Check the drill down functionality. Export to Microsoft Excel. You can make modifications and finalize the program in the ABAP editor. When you are finished, you can copy your code back to KodWIZ and click on Download Word Documentation. KodWIZ will generate a Microsoft Word documentation based on your specific code.